Assalamu alaikum, my dear and very respected brothers, every single one of you, Mr. Mansoor Saib, Mr. Abu Sulaiman Saib, Mr. Muhammad Saib, Mr. Abu Hamid Saib, Mr. Hajiza Bihala Saib, Mr. Engineer Zaid Saib, Mr. Abu Zainab Saib, Mr. Abu Muhammad Saib, Mr. Azim Saib, and Mr. Rahmatullah Saib. Hope you are fine and doing well. Dear brothers, this footstep you see on the ground, we provided for 43 orphans families. Dear brothers, we honestly gave all the steps to the right and orphans people who were in need. So we are very thankful of your help and your kindness. To be honest, every single of us always keeps you guys in praying. In the end, I want to mention that there are many other families who are dealing with serious poverty. Therefore, please continue your support for your financial support as usual in the future too. Thanks again and again.